In this video, I'm going to be showing you the new lightning connector for on the iPhone 5. It's much thinner, it's much slimmer. There we go. You can see good. And it's reversible. I'm going to show you size differences and everything. Okay, let's see. Okay, here's the new lightning connector right here, and here's the old 30-pin connector, and this is the size difference right here. It's so much tinier. And another really good thing about the new lightning connector is you won't have to worry about which way to put it in the hole. Either way, I'll show you. Right here. Okay, here we go. You can put it in this way. You can take it out, turn it around, and you can put it in the other way. And it's a slight, very slight bit faster than the standard 30-pin connector. But that's the review on this. Thanks for watching. Rate thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to me. Thank you. Much more videos on the iPhone 5, and as soon as the jailbreak is out, which it's already been jailbroken, so as soon as it comes out, I will have a video up on that too. Thanks for watching. Bye.